Nigeria, hello Africa, hello bakers and pastry lovers all over the world. Is your girl, your favorite baker, the recipe queen.
The energy is bubbling, the energy is bristling, the energy is on a high level. More! 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 We are ready. So, can we go back to class? Can we go back to class? Please, let's go back to class. The 21st recipe, 21st recipe. 21st 21st recipe. 21st. Please, back to class. Are you ready for us, Mama? Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So the next recipe is my special citrus raisin cake.
Special citrus raisin cake. Please, back to class, people.
So this recipe calls for 500 grams of flour,
500 grams of flour,
150 grams of brown sugar,
150 grams of brown sugar,
150 grams of white granulated sugar, then 8 eggs, then 300 grams of margarine, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of citrus mixed fruit juice. So I use the Chivita Active. So actually you can bake with this. Then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, half teaspoon of lemon flavor, half teaspoon of orange flavor, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup, then desired quantity of raisins. $500 grams of flour, 150 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of white sugar, that's the granulated sugar, 8 eggs, 300 grams of margarine, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We are using the ground soya oil. Then half cup of citrus mixed fruit juice, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg,
1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg,
1 tablespoon of lemon zest,
1 tablespoon of lemon zest.
That's what I mean. That's the outer layer of the lemon. Then you grate it. Then 1 tablespoon of orange zest as well.
1 tablespoon of orange zest.
Half teaspoon of lemon flavor.
Half teaspoon of lemon flavor.
Half teaspoon of orange flavor.
Half teaspoon of orange flavor.
1 tablespoon of golden syrup.
1 tablespoon of golden syrup.
Then desired quantity of raisins.
Desired quantity of your raisins.
So in here, in this bowl, I have the margarine, the white sugar, the brown sugar, and my flavors. That's the orange flavor and the lemon flavor. I use the essence, not the extract. So it's time for us to mix. So this is the flour, the baking powder, then the grated nutmeg in here. So I'm going to put off the mixer, then scrape the sides of the mixing bowl. So we'll continue mixing. The bigger bowl. So So I'm going to pour in the dry ingredients into this bowl, then add my lemon zest, then the orange zest. So remember the name of this cake recipe, it's my citrus raisin cake recipe. Then I'll add the raisins. For this recipe I did not soak the raisins. But if you want to bake it without the raisins, you're free to also bake it. Maybe just citrus cake without the raisins. It's still okay. So now it's time for me to add the eggs gradually. So I'll pour in the remaining. Then afterwards, I'll just pour in the whole dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, grated nutmeg and raisins. Then I'll pour in the citrus mixed fruit juice. Remember, I use the Chivita Active, but if you want to use the real fruit juice like orange, the juice, you're also free to do that. Mix it with the lemon. So now use low speed and mix your batter.
Go, Chami, go! Well done, you're doing well now. You're doing so well. 21st recipe, you know, easy. No big beans. DJ, 1 minute, drop it.
So now my batter is ready.
The batter is ready.
So it's time for us to distribute the cake batter into our pans. So now we have to tap the pans, then take them into the oven. Baking tray.
Shout out to my big boss here, one of the Oga at the top. Welcome center, bakers. If your hands are not too busy, can we clap? Can we clap? Can we clap? Can we clap? Yes, Mr. J, thank you so much for supporting us. God bless you. He just came and asked me now, Sparkles, how many recipes? Sir, 21. You know people. Thank you so much. DJ, drop it as it's hot. Oh my God, we are done with our 21st recipe. Oh my God.